What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on the 2018 CTSV. I fired it up for the first time, get some fluids going around it, and then I noticed that we're having some problems with the voltage regulator. So I pulled the battery and see if I could buy a voltage regulator, but you can't buy a voltage regulator for these. So anyways, I pulled the battery, pulled the alternator in today's video. Got two of them ordered up. Believe it or not, the alternator for this car is around 770 bucks and the battery is 480 bucks. It's an AGM battery in these, so that makes sense. And the alternator, I don't know, maybe it puts you to sleep or gives you a back rub. I have no idea. But anyways, we got them on order. We got them picked up. So today's video, we'll throw them in there. And it's sure nice having the hoist in the shop now. And especially for doing oil changes. And the new thing I picked up the other day off the old Amazon, unbelievable. Awesome to have the right tools now in the shop to be able to work on my stuff. So really enjoying that. But less talking, more working. Let's get at it. So like I said, we're back up top here. She's all the way buried down there. And so I'm going to take all this cover off, take the fans out. We'll get rid of the intake. And then hopefully we should be able to squeeze it out this way and up and out. And yeah, go from there. I drained as much coolant as I could out of the drain cock. So I guess we'll see, and let's get at it. Boom, there we go. She's out. It was a bit of a pain in the ass getting the old fucking fan out because it has ears on it. And these hoses, here, goes on either side of each side. You just got to kind of rotate it and force it. And it's not the most pleasant, but we got it out. And yeah, definitely alternator, definitely fried. All the plastic around here is all gone. And then the actual voltage regulator itself is all worn out and burnt on the inside there. And it was actually broken. Like, I don't think the connection was being made from here to here properly. So it looks like it's seen better days. And all inside there, I don't know if you can see, they're a bit twisted and all worn out. So fuck it. It's been on there since brand new, and obviously we're not spinning this thing very easy. It's fucking overdriven, and she's working hard, and its whole life since I've owned it from brand new, she's been foot to the fucking mat, man. So as Bias Plies would say, she's been in the ketchup. But anyways, we'll get one of them ordered up. I think he has them in stock here in Calgary, so that's good. We'll get a new battery, and fingers crossed it fucking fixes the problem. I guess we'll fucking find out and see. And then while we're in here, we're gonna drop the oil, and we're gonna do an oil change at the same time. So yeah, that's good enough for tonight, I think. I mean, there's another project pushed off to the corner, so we can work on this one. But all in all, she's dry rotted. Plastic was all missing on the back of the voltage regulator, so hey, it is what it is. $700, almost $800 for an alternator, which is a little bit crazy, but whatever, we'll get it figured out and we'll get her done. Anyways, quick little video, but thank you for watching. Hopefully lots more to come, and hope everybody's looking forward to summer. I don't think I'll be out racing this year. Just finished building this shop of mine, so funds are a little low to be putting into project cars, but we'll get out there one day. But I'll definitely be out there supporting and watching. Yeah, anyways, catch you on the next one. Have a great night. Peace. So, kind of silly, I filmed this in 2 days and I forgot to film an outro, I guess they call it. But I'm back. The car's back together. It's running good. The install was pretty easy, pretty standard. I thought it'd be a lot more difficult to get it out. It's pretty tight within these cars, but it was pretty good, nice and easy. But yeah, no, she's running better. Well, not running better. It was fine before. It was just low on voltage. But the voltage regulator is doing what it's doing, and the battery and the computer is not freaking out anymore. It's not throwing any codes for low voltage to the mass airflow sensor and all stuff like that. But yeah, no, she's running better. She's good to go. So maybe we'll just hop in here and fire it up. This will be the only second time I fired it up here. Oh. So yeah, before it was, the lights were all flashing on me, which was strange. I don't know if anybody's had this problem in this car, whoever watches this. If you have one of these, let me know. All the lights here, they seem to be flashing, kind of going in and out. I don't know if you can see it on video. Still kind of doing it anyway, but we'll give her a fire up. Yeah, and before that was staying at like 12, and then it would work its way up to like 15, 16, so, and then sometimes it wouldn't even come off 12, so. Anyways, it's, she's running all back together, which is good. $1,000 later. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.